Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMate Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a tick symbol on your Google Sheet web on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the tick symbol on your Google Sheet web on the computer like this. You have a three different type of tick symbol you can just insert, like this is the colored one, this is a normal tick, and this is a tick with a checkbox. So you have one option because there is no insert symbol option present here on the Google Sheet on here. Okay, so I have an option. You just need to press Windows key plus dot symbol on your keyboard. Press the Windows key and just press the dot symbol evenly, and you can find this dialog box which is called a Windows shortcut key. Okay, so there's a first one called emoji, and this is for symbols. So just click on the first one, emoji, and just need to click on the search option here and just type D-I-C-K on the search option. So you just type, that's it. It automatically type here, and you can just insert the symbol like this. So you can just insert more symbol like this easily. And this is how you just insert the tick symbol on your Google Sheet web on your computer. I think this video helped. Do not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.